among the vibrant markets of Portugal, overflowing with fresh produce, exotic spices, cured meats, and fine wine, comes a humble home-cooked classic. Comforting and very flavorful potato and kale soup. Caldo Verde. Bom dia, mis amigos. This is Becker. Join me today. You won't believe how easy it is to make this comforting soup. All you need are simple ingredients readily available in your kitchen: kale, potatoes, garlic, onion, water or light vegetable stock. You can also choose to make this soup with the addition of Spanish chorizo. Here's the complete ingredient list. Let's prepare the vegetables. First, chop the onion finely. Mince the garlic. Peel and dice the potatoes. For the kale, we need to tear the leaves and discard the tough stalk. Chop the smaller pieces. Set aside.
If you are enjoying this video, tap like and share this with a friend. Say hi to us in the comments section and subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's continue.
In a pot over medium heat, add olive oil and saute onion and garlic. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until soft and translucent. Add the diced potatoes and the water or vegetable stock. Bring to boil. This is the time to put the Spanish chorizo into the soup to cook and also to impart flavor. Simmer for about 20 minutes until potatoes are very soft. Remove the pot from heat and remove the chorizo. Using a stick blender, blend the soup until completely smooth and creamy. Bring the soup to a gentle boil. Add in the shredded kale. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. In the meantime, slice the chorizo. The kale should be tender but still bright green. Ladle into a bowl. Add chorizo pieces. Drizzle with olive oil. And add freshly ground pepper. And there you have it, my dear friends. Piping hot, comforting, and healthy Portuguese favorite. Caldo Verde. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next week for another food adventure.
Our channel grows one video at a time. If you'd like to help along, support us with Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you.
There are more plushy videos to watch and enjoy. Just click here. Thank you.